What if I told you that a machine costing less than your monthly grocery bill could start putting money in your pocket every single day? No, this isn't some sketchy online scheme. We're talking about real, physical machines you can order on Amazon right now and have sitting on your kitchen table by next week. Some cost $60, some cost $200, but every single one of them has already made regular people like you serious side income. Many people are secretly doing this, and no one is telling you. Stay with me until the end, because the last machine is my favorite and is also one of the most profitable.
This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions.
Number 1. Cake printer. There is one thing that makes custom cakes sell for much higher prices, and it is not hours of decorating or years of artistic experience. In many cases, the biggest difference is simply adding a personalized image that instantly grabs attention. The secret is a machine most home bakers don't even know exists. You can find one on Amazon for around $250, and it is surprisingly simple to use. Instead of printing on regular paper, this machine prints photos, logos, cartoons, memes, or any design onto special edible sheets using food-safe edible ink. All you have to do is choose a picture from your phone or computer, print it, and place it on top of a cake. Here is a simple example. Someone orders a birthday cake featuring their favorite sports team or a funny internet meme. Instead of spending hours trying to paint it by hand, you buy a plain cake from a local bakery for around $15. Print the design in just a few minutes, place it on top, and suddenly that basic cake becomes a personalized product that can sell for $50 to $60. The printing supplies are very affordable. Each edible print only costs a few cents in paper and ink, which means your profit margin stays very high. Customers are not paying extra because of the flour, eggs, or frosting. They are paying because the cake feels personal and unique. That is why this business has become so popular on social media. Families want birthday cakes, businesses need cakes for company events, and people love posting customized desserts online. With a small investment and a little creativity, you can turn your kitchen table into a business that creates products people are excited to buy. Number 2. Tufting gun. If you have ever watched those satisfying videos where colorful yarn quickly turns into a custom rug, you have already seen one of the hottest small businesses online. The machine making it all possible is called a tufting gun, and it allows beginners to create professional-looking rugs much faster than doing everything by hand. You can buy one on Amazon for around $80, and it is lightweight, easy to hold, and simple to learn. Instead of stitching every strand manually, the machine pushes the yarn through the backing fabric at high speed, helping you complete detailed designs in a fraction of the time. The biggest opportunity is in custom orders. Fans of anime, gaming, sports, music, and pop culture are always looking for unique room decorations that cannot be found in regular stores. You simply transfer the design onto the fabric, guide the machine over the outline, fill in the colors, and watch the rug come to life. The numbers make this business even more interesting. The yarn, backing fabric, and finishing glue for a medium-sized rug cost about $30 in total. After spending roughly 3 hours making it, you can often sell the finished rug for anywhere between $90 and $160, depending on the size and design. Because the startup cost is so low, selling only a couple of rugs can recover the price of the machine. After that, every new order becomes much more profitable. People love buying handmade items that feel personal, especially when they feature their favorite characters, logos, or artwork. That growing demand has turned the tufting gun into one of the most profitable small creative businesses you can start from your garage or even a spare room at home. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready," and I'll share the complete list with you. Number 3. Semi-automatic concealer. Have you noticed how drinks served in sealed aluminum cans suddenly feel more premium? Whether it is iced coffee, fruit tea, lemonade, or sparkling drinks, customers love the experience of opening a sealed can themselves. That extra presentation makes an ordinary drink feel like something special, and people are willing to pay more for it. The machine behind this trend is a semi-automatic can sealer, and you can find one on Amazon for around $380. It is designed for small businesses and is very easy to operate. You simply fill the can with your drink, place the lid on top, pull the lever, and within a few seconds the machine creates a tight, leak-proof seal that looks like it came straight from a professional beverage factory. This opens the door to much more than selling drinks from a small stand. You can create custom canned beverages for weddings, birthday parties, quinceañeras, corporate events, fitness centers, or local cafes that want their own branded drinks. The professional packaging instantly makes the product stand out. The numbers are surprisingly attractive. An empty aluminum can with a lid costs around 50 cents, and filling it with quality coffee, tea, or juice adds another 50 cents. That brings your total cost to about $1 per drink. Once you add a custom label and seal it, customers are often happy to pay between $5 and $7 for the finished product. Instead of selling a simple drink, you are selling convenience, presentation, and a memorable experience. That is exactly why this small machine can turn inexpensive ingredients into a product with an excellent profit margin. Number 4. Mini CNC Router and Laser Engraver. Imagine buying a plain wooden board for just a few dollars, then turning it into a personalized sign that someone proudly hangs in their home or business. That is exactly what a mini CNC router and laser engraver allows you to do, even if you have never worked with woodworking tools before. This compact machine sells on Amazon for around $220, and it fits comfortably on a desk or workbench. Instead of carving designs by hand, it uses a powerful laser to burn detailed images, text, and patterns onto different materials. It can also cut certain materials with impressive precision. Everything is controlled through simple software on your phone or computer, making it beginner-friendly. There is a huge market for personalized products because people enjoy owning items that are made specifically for them. Families order engraved cutting boards with their last name. Small businesses need custom wooden signs, and many customers buy leather keychains, gifts, and decorations with initials or meaningful messages. The process is simple. You choose a design, place the material inside the machine, and let the laser do the work. While the engraving is being completed, you can prepare your next order or handle customer messages. A medium-sized wooden sign usually costs around $4 in materials and takes about 15 minutes to finish. Once completed, you can easily sell it for $30 to $40, depending on the design and size. The material itself is inexpensive. What customers are really paying for is a one-of-a-kind product that cannot be found in ordinary stores. That is why personalized engraving continues to be one of the strongest small business opportunities for people working from home. If you have ever wanted your own clothing brand but thought it was too expensive to start, this next machine is about to change your mind completely. Number 5. Heat Press. The personalized gift business never seems to slow down. Every day, people order custom t-shirts for family events, photo mugs for birthdays, branded hats for businesses, and unique gifts that cannot be found in regular stores. The good news is that you do not need a large workshop to make these products. One compact machine can do almost everything. This heat press is available on Amazon for around $150. It comes with several interchangeable heating attachments, allowing you to print on different products using a single machine. You can customize t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, caps, and ceramic plates, all from one small setup. Using it is very straightforward. First, print your design onto transfer paper. Then place the blank product inside the press. Apply heat and pressure for a short time, and the image permanently transfers onto the surface. The finished result looks clean, colorful, and professional. One of the smartest ways to make money with this machine is by following online trends. When a funny meme, sports moment, or viral phrase starts spreading across social media, you can quickly create matching products and begin selling them the same day. Since you only print after receiving an order, you do not need to keep shelves full of finished inventory. The numbers are impressive. A plain quality t-shirt costs around $3, and the printed transfer sheet costs about $1. Your total production cost is only $4. That same customized shirt can easily sell for around $20, leaving you with about $16 in profit on a single sale. Instead of spending thousands to launch a clothing brand, this machine gives you an affordable way to start from home. With a little creativity and fast response to customer requests, The 5-in-1 combo heat press can become the foundation of a profitable custom printing business. Before number 6, make sure to subscribe to this channel. We are aiming to reach 50,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes the difference. Number 6. Portable vinyl cutting plotter. People enjoy products that feel personal. A simple name on a tumbler, a custom decal on a car, or a decorative wall sticker can completely change an ordinary item into something special. That is exactly why personalized vinyl products continue to sell so well, and the machine behind them is much smaller than most people expect. The portable vinyl cutting plotter is about the size of a small printer and sells on Amazon for around $170. Instead of printing with ink, it uses a tiny precision blade to cut designs from adhesive vinyl. Once the design is cut, you simply remove the extra material and apply the finished decal wherever your customer wants it. There are many different ways to make money with this machine. You can create custom names for tumblers, business logos for storefront windows, decals for cars and laptops, decorations for birthday balloons, or reusable stencils for painting. Since every customer wants something different, there is always room to offer unique designs. The process is quick and beginner-friendly. Your customer chooses a name, logo, or graphic, you load the vinyl into the machine, send the design from your computer, and within minutes the cutter finishes the job with clean and accurate results. The materials are inexpensive. A roll of quality adhesive vinyl costs around $20, and it produces dozens of medium-sized designs. Each decal usually costs only about 20 cents in material. Once applied to a tumbler, balloon, or another product, you can easily charge an extra $10 or more. The real value is not the vinyl itself. Customers are paying for something made specifically for them. That constant demand for personalized products makes this machine one of the easiest machines to turn into a steady home-based business. The next one is not even about selling a product. It is about something way smarter, and almost nobody in your city is doing it yet. Number 7. Solar panel cleaning brush. As more homeowners and businesses install solar panels, a new business opportunity is growing right alongside them. Most people think solar panels work perfectly all year, but that is not true. Dust, pollen, bird droppings, and other dirt slowly cover the surface, reducing how much sunlight reaches the panels. When that happens, the system becomes less efficient, and owners end up losing energy without even realizing it. That is where the solar panel cleaning brush comes in. You can find one on Amazon for around $130, and it is designed to clean solar panels safely without damaging the glass. The brush connects to a regular water hose and has an extendable handle, allowing you to reach large panels while staying comfortably on the ground or using a ladder when needed. The best part is that you do not need any special technical skills. There are no expensive chemicals involved, and you do not need electrical experience. Water flows through the brush, while the soft bristles remove dirt, dust, and debris without scratching the surface. Instead of selling a product, you are offering a service that customers need again and again. Most solar panel systems should be cleaned every 3 to 5 months, creating repeat business throughout the year. The numbers are very attractive. Cleaning the solar panels on an average home usually takes around 40 minutes, and the water used costs only about $2. In return, you can typically charge between $50 and $80 for a single visit, depending on the size of the system. If you build a list of just 10 regular customers who schedule maintenance every few months, you can create steady recurring income. With a low startup cost and growing demand, this can quickly pay for itself while helping homeowners keep their solar systems working efficiently. Number 8. Food dehydrator. Walk through the snack aisle of any grocery store, and you will notice something surprising. Small bags of dried fruit often sell for several times more than fresh fruit. The same thing happens with natural pet treats and premium food garnishes. What many people do not realize is that these products can be made at home with a simple food dehydrator. This machine is available on Amazon for around $60, and it works by slowly circulating warm air around the food. As the moisture is removed, the fruit, vegetables, or meat become dry while keeping much of their flavor, color, and nutrients. No chemical preservatives are needed, making the finished product attractive to health-conscious customers. There are several ways to build a business with this machine. You can package dried apples, mangoes, bananas, or strawberries as healthy snacks for local markets and fitness enthusiasts. Another profitable option is supplying dehydrated citrus slices to cafes and bars for drink garnishes. You can also enter the pet market by making natural chicken or beef treats that many dog owners are happy to buy. The costs stay very low. Buying about 3 kilograms of seasonal fruit can cost around $4. After dehydration, that amount is enough to fill roughly 10 individual snack bags. If you sell each bag for around $3, your total sales reach about $30 from only $4 worth of raw ingredients. Customers are not just buying dried fruit, they are paying for convenience, healthy ingredients, and premium packaging. That combination creates excellent profit margins while keeping production simple. With such a small investment, the food dehydrator offers an easy way to turn inexpensive food into products that people buy every day. And there you have it, 8 machines that prove you do not need a fortune or a fancy workshop to become your own boss. All you really need is one tool, a bit of patience, and the willingness to actually try. Whether it is a $60 food dehydrator turning cheap fruit into premium snacks, or a $380 can sealer making drinks look like they came from a real bottling plant, the opportunity is sitting right there on Amazon, waiting for someone to click buy. Most people watch videos like this and do nothing. They bookmark it, they say, maybe next month, and 6 months later, they are still stuck in the same place. Do not be that person. Pick just one machine from this list, the one that excited you the most while watching, and take the first step this week. If this video opened your eyes to how simple starting a business can really be, you are going to want to see what is coming next. I have another video breaking down 15 machines you can start business immediately if you ever lose your job or need fast emergency income. Click on it now, and I will see you in the next one.